Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. That's right, wireless charging on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. You're probably saying to yourself, hey, I didn't know the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus could do wireless charging. You're right, out of the box it does not. But with the help of this little adapter that basically just plugs right into your charging port and goes right on behind your phone, you can make your phone work with any wireless charger. Okay. Now normally what you want to do is put that on and then just take your case on. Okay. So now it's not hanging off, and for this particular case I have a little magnet on the back, so it's not going to work in for the sake of this video because I have a car magnet on there. But basically the adapter is tucked away so you don't even see it, and you would just pop your phone right down and it will start wirelessly charging. Okay, so this little adapter is only, well, I'm not even gonna tell you how much it is because you're gonna be like, what, that's that price? It's a crazy price. The hint I will give you is that it is under 20 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. This little adapter you buy, you plug it right into your charging port. You're gonna just throw your case right on behind it, and that's it. Your phone is gonna be wirelessly charging. You can now buy all those really cool wireless chargers. Obviously, it's so frustrating. Maybe you haven't upgraded yet. You're like, I just wanna be able to wirelessly charge my phone. Well, guess what? You can do it now. So go down to the comment section, or to the description, excuse me, hit that Amazon affiliate link and you can see how much this little device costs. It's a plug and play. This is how easy it is to install it. You just take it, plug it in the bottom of your phone, push it in, put your case back on, stick it on the charger, and you're done. And you're now wirelessly charging. By the way, in case you're asking, hey, what is this big thing right here? This is actually a portable, it's a power bank charger that also supports wireless charging. So it's a really cool companion to get if you choose to get the little adapter for this as well. So I'll leave a link for this also in the description. And hope you guys did find this helpful. Like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks again for watching, guys. Also, follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other really cool stuff. All right, take care. Have a good one.